I'm standing right next to the lady, gorgeous lady in black, and the fact that we're talking about time here, Aishwarya. How has the time spent like for you, staying away from the silver screen and away from your fans who are eagerly waiting for you to get back?
I'm looking forward. Once an actor, always an actor. You look forward to making movies. You know, creativity is in you, and you're always buzzing and looking forward to that opportunity. But very, very honestly, I have had no concept of time. I mean, standing here on a time platform, to be saying that, I have had no idea how long it's been. Time's been flying for me at an altogether different pace. Every year in the past, I think of my time on the public platform, I've been interacting with the media. I keep saying, time's flying, time's flying. This is at another pace altogether, another level. And probably because I've been doing so much ad work and, you know, so much endorsement work. I've been in the studios. A lot of the DOPs are people you've worked with before. A lot of the set hands are people you've worked with before. So as far as going to the studios, working on sets, working with photographers, being at media events, there hasn't really been a break. So I don't feel I have been away in that sense, because it doesn't feel like a break at all. But probably just the first 3 months, and from then on I've been on the road, you know, from time to time. But yes, I haven't made a movie, and looking forward to that. I've given my nod to a couple of scripts and filmmakers, but whoever is ready and when they are, and I genuinely am saying this in absolute earnestness and honesty, announcements will be made. But it's premature to jump the gun, and I think for others to anticipate that their movie will be the first. I think we'd love to make that announcement together.
Talking about timelessness, if you had to mention one of your, you know, family's film that you'd call timeless, what would that be?
Wow, you put me in the dock here. It's very difficult to select any particular movie as timeless, because as you rightly identified, you know, we are very fortunate to have a family of actors and everybody who is so committed to their craft. We truly enjoy doing what we do. So I think each one's attitude to every project has been to give their best to it and to cherish the output of work, and hopefully the audience has done that as well. So to pick out any one particular one would be truly difficult.
Okay, now one recent song that I saw from Ram Leela, one of your favorite directors, Bhansali's film. Now, you know, it looked as if it's meant for you, Dhol Baaje. I mean, it's absolutely meant for you, the fact that you've done something similar in Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam. Have you seen Deepika dance?
You know, everybody's been telling me. I'm sure she'll have done a fantastic job, and Sanjay is just such a brilliant filmmaker. I haven't got the opportunity as yet, but I think come tonight, I'm going to have to go and YouTube it probably late at night after I put Aradhya to bed, because all you members of the media have been telling me today about it, so I really, really should. I didn't even realize they've already started coming out. I've heard about what you all are telling me today, but I'm very, very sure Sanjay is he's such a dear friend, and he's such a fabulous filmmaker for me in all my experiences with him. So I can only imagine visual glory, visually an absolute treat. You're the only guys I'm going to be ending up saying this to, because I forgot to say it to other members of the media. When I was backstage, it was really touching when senior members of Longines like Charles and Claude came and mentioned to me that they said, you know, since the time you started to today, this brand has done so well. We have moved truly from strength to strength to have very strong positioning among watch brands world over, amongst the top 3 or 4, and you know, right up there in the Swatch group as well. And it was so gracious of them to say that your contribution has been immense.